So we have lots of different systems that are provided by lots of different suppliers, and bringing them together and making them talk together is really one of the key issues that these complex large infrastructure projects needs to overcome. So we made the decision to build our own integrated test lab, and it's been absolutely vital in how we bring all our vendors together, how we complete our designs for all of our systems that run our stations. And the lab was key to our ability to actually successfully test here on site, which is what we've been doing for the last few months. Without the ITL, we would have only been able to start testing all these systems together once we've actually built them on site. And so it gives us the ability to start testing years ahead of when the actual systems are available for us. That saves us a huge amount of time and resources. Everything is so much harder to test on site. We've got other building works that are still happening, other people are trying to test other things. So if we can have all these high-level issues solved before we even get to site, that's really, really beneficial for our site teams. We've just finished our smoke testing here at Arden, and that's a key part of testing all of our fire systems. Now, the fire systems at Arden are what makes these stations as safe as can be for all the passengers that will come and go and use our trains each day. So the completion of the smoke test pulls together 6 years worth of design, modelling, installation and testing, and takes us from our integrated test lab through to our testing on site, where we can actually show all of our stakeholders that we actually have systems that operate as per design and make our stations as safe as possible.